Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are exploring the exciting world of modern balcony railing designs. Whether you are looking to enhance the safety of your outdoor space or simply want to add a touch of style, we have got you covered. From sleek glass railings that offer unobstructed view to innovative cable systems and warm wooden designs, we will showcase a variety of options that cater to different tastes and architectural styles. Join us as we dive into the latest trends and tips to create the perfect balcony retreats. Modern balcony railings are essential elements that enhance both the safety and aesthetic appeal of outdoor spaces. One of the most popular trends in contemporary design is the use of glass railings. These railings provide an unobstructed view of the surroundings, making them ideal for high rise buildings or homes with scenic vistas. The transparency of glass creates a sense of openness and allows natural light to flood the balcony area. Typically framed with sleek materials like stainless steel or aluminum, glass railings offer a sophisticated and minimalistic look that complements modern architectural beautifully. Another innovative design choice is the use of metal railings with geometric patterns. These railings can be crafted from materials such as wrought iron or aluminum and can feature intricate designs that add a unique artistic touch to the balcony. Geometric patterns not only provide safety but also serve as a striking visual element that can enhance the overall design of the building. The versatility of metal allows for a wide range of finishes, from matte to glossy, enabling homeowners to customize their railing to match their personal style. Wooden railings are also making a comeback in modern designs, offering warmth and a natural aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with contemporary materials. Treated hardwoods or composite materials can be used to create durable and stylish railing that withstand the elements. These railings can be designed with horizontal or vertical slats, providing both safety and a sense of privacy. Additionally, the natural grain of wood adds textures and characters, making wooden railing a popular choice for those looking to create a cozy outdoor retreat. For those seeking a more innovative approach, cable railings are gaining popular in modern balcony designs. This system uses stainless steel cables stretched between posts, creates a sleek and unobstructed barrier that maintains views while ensuring safety. Cable railings are particularly suited for coastal or temporary homes where the emphasis is on building indoor and outdoor living. Their minimalistic design allow for a clean and modern look, making them a favorite among architects and designers. Finally, integrating planters into balcony railings has emerged as a creative way to enhance both aesthetics and functionality by incorporating planters boxes directly into the railing design. Homeowners can introduce greenery and color to their balconies without sacrificing space. This not only softens the hard lines of modern architecture but also provides privacy and a sense of tranquility. The combination of plants and modern railing designs create a vibrant outdoor environment that ensures relaxation and enjoyment. In conclusion, modern balcony railings offers a wide range of design options that prioritize safety, style, and functionality. From glass and metals to wood and cable systems, these railings can be customized to suit any architectural style or personal preferences. By thoughtfully selecting railing designs, homeowners can create beautiful and inviting outdoor spaces that enhance their living experience. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this exploration of modern balcony railing design has inspired you to elevate your outdoor space. Remember, the right railing not only enhances safety but also adds significant aesthetic value to your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design ideas, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What type of railing do you envision for the balcony? Until next time, happy decorating. Bye. Anji.